Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all things green and gorgeous. Today, we're diving into the world of shrubs, those beautiful, versatile plants that add so much life and color to our gardens, especially in the springtime. Now, if you're looking to spruce up your garden this spring, you're in the right place. We've curated a list of 10 must-grow shrubs that will truly make your garden pop with beauty and charm. And the best part? They're all easy to grow and maintain, perfect for both novice and seasoned gardeners alike. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dive into our list of 10 extraordinary shrubs for spring. 1. Forsythia, the glorious forsythia. This shrub is like a burst of sunshine in your garden, with its bright yellow flowers that appear before the leaves. It's super easy to grow and requires minimal care. Plant it in full sun for the best blooms, and watch your garden come alive with its vibrant color. 2. Lilac. Next up, we have the ever-charming lilac. Known for its intoxicating fragrance and delicate purple blooms, this shrub is a must-have for any garden. Lilacs thrive in well-drained soil and prefer a sunny spot. And trust me, once you experience their sweet aroma, you'll be hooked. 3. Azalea. The azalea, a true showstopper in the springtime. With its stunning array of colors, from soft pinks to vibrant reds, this shrub adds a touch of elegance to any garden. Azaleas prefer partial shade and acidic soil, so be sure to choose the right spot for them to thrive. 4. Rhododendron. Speaking of showstoppers, the rhododendron is another spring favorite that never disappoints. With its large, lush blooms in shades of pink, purple, and white, this shrub demands attention. Plant it in well-drained soil and provide some shade for optimal growth. 5. Spirea. If you're looking for a low-maintenance shrub that packs a punch, look no further than the spirea. With its cascading clusters of flowers in shades of pink, white, and red, this beauty adds a touch of whimsy to any garden. Spirea thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it a breeze to care for. 6. Weigela. The weigela, a true gem in the spring garden. Known for its trumpet-shaped flowers in shades of pink, red, and white, this shrub attracts bees and butterflies like no other. Plant it in full sun or partial shade and watch as it transforms your garden into a haven for pollinators. 7. Viburnum. Next up, we have the viburnum, a versatile shrub that offers beauty in every season. With its clusters of fragrant white flowers in spring, followed by colorful berries in the fall, this shrub is a true multitasker. Viburnums thrive in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. 8. Hydrangea. The hydrangea, a beloved favorite among gardeners everywhere. With its large, fluffy blooms in shades of blue, pink, and white, this shrub adds a touch of romance to any garden. Hydrangeas prefer partial shade and moist, well-drained soil, so be sure to keep them hydrated. 9. Lilac. Back by popular demand, we have the lilac, because one mention is simply not enough. With its fragrant blooms and graceful appearance, this shrub is a timeless classic in the spring garden. Plant it in full sun for the best blooms and get ready to be enchanted by its beauty. 10. Camellia. Last but certainly not least, we have the camellia, a true treasure in the spring garden. With its elegant, waxy blooms in shades of pink, red, and white, this shrub adds a touch of sophistication to any landscape. Camellias prefer partial shade and well-drained soil, so be sure to give them the right conditions to thrive. And there you have it, folks, our list of 10 extraordinary shrubs to grow for an unforgettable spring garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these beauties are sure to bring joy and color to your outdoor space. So go ahead, plant them, nurture them, and watch as your garden comes alive with beauty and charm. Happy gardening!